Hello store owners. Today, I want to walk you through how to control the visibility of your wholesale products on my store. Whether I want certain products hidden from regular shoppers or only visible to specific wholesale tiers, I've got a few different ways to set that up. Let's go through each one. First up, the global setting. I'll head over to Wholesale, then Settings, and open my Wholesale Prices tab. Under the Price section, I've got a toggle called Hide Price and Add to Cart button. Once I check this, visitors who aren't logged in as wholesale customers won't see my prices or be able to add products to their cart at all. They'll just see a login message instead. In the same general settings, you'll find the Only Show Wholesale Products to Wholesale Customers option. When this setting is enabled, any products that don't have a wholesale price will be hidden from wholesale customers. This ensures they only see products that are available for wholesale pricing. Now say I only want to restrict one specific product, not my whole store. I'll open that product to edit it. And over in my Publish box, I've got a section called Restrict to Wholesale Roles. I'll choose which wholesale role can see this product. Here I'm setting it to Wholesale Gold. So only that tier gets access, and everyone else won't see it at all. I can get even more specific with variable products. Here I'm on a variable product, and I've opened up one of its variations. Down in the Wholesale Exclusive variation section, I can restrict just this one variation to a wholesale role. I'll set it to Wholesale Customer. So the rest of my variations stay available to everyone, but this one's locked down. If I'm using my wholesale order form, I've got permission controls there too. I'll head to Wholesale, Order Forms, and open my Forms settings. Under Form Permissions, I can set a user role filter. I've picked Wholesale Customer here, and turn off Allow Public Read so the form itself is only accessible to that role. While I'm in my Order Form settings, I can also control how products are displayed. I've got options for product sorting, sorting order, and how many products load per page. I can turn on lazy loading so more results load as visitors scroll, and enable show variations individually so each variation gets its own row in the table. And if I only want certain categories showing up in this order form, I can scroll down to Excluded Category. I've excluded accessories here, or use Included Category to only show specific ones. I can even include or exclude individual products the same way. And that covers the main ways I can control wholesale product visibility on my store, from the global setting right down to individual products, variations, and my order forms. If you ever run a bulk import and visibility looks off, just reinitialize the visibility meta from my tools menu. And if you get stuck, premium users can open a support ticket, or you can drop by our community forum. I'll link the full documentation below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.